What's up, guys? This is Too Sick to Quit here, bringing you another video of my PC build, part 2. Today, the mouse and keyboard came in the mail, and so did these, RAM came too. That made no sense. So did the RAM. There we go. So, what we have here, this will be a quick review, though. Don't mind this shitty computer. That's the thing I'm going to use ever. So, yeah, so what we have here is some, G-Skill Rip Jaws. 8 gigabytes of 2 sticks, 4 and 4. This costed me, I think, $70, $71 maybe like 65 after your mail-in rebates. So yeah, they're pretty good. G-Skill Rip Jaws again, Intel Core, you know, compatible with Intel Core, i7, i5 Core, i3, AMD. Damn, look at that fucking focus, whatever. AMD or AM3 Plus APU platforms. So that's pretty, that's good. I'm using an APU. Look at that focus. Boom. Okay. So yeah. So that's how this is gonna work. It's a little sticker, I think. That's pretty cool. These just look fucking cool. I mean, just look at it. Like, you guys probably always seen RAM, but this looks fucking cool. I like the fucking detail. Look at that. It looks fucking tight. So yeah, let's put this to the side. And now, what I love the most, this was cool. We have, I don't know what the name of it is, but it's the Devastator Gaming Gear Combo. It comes with the keyboard and the mouse. It's blue. Has a LED blue backlight. So let's go ahead and open this up. You take out these things on the bottom. This thing on the bottom. And then it kind of just opens up. Boom. It's such a sexy. I'm going to plug it in my laptop right here. By the way, too. Unplug that. I don't need that one. And then the mouse as well. Because fuck the mouse. Fuck this piece of shit. Look at that. Logitech. Okay, so yeah, here is... Oh my god, it looks so cool. Let me pull this out. Might not be able to do this with one hand, but YOLO. Might have to break all these plastic things. This is all the cords for everything. We can bring the mouth out. The mouth out. Let me put that up here. Oh my god, this looks cool. This is really badass. This is all connected together and shit, all fancy. I'm really bad at unboxings, but you know, YOLO swag. This looks fucking cool though. Bunch of things for I have to read after. Okay, why can't I pick that up? Okay, there we go. Let's take this. I'm gonna keep all these boxes. These are cool boxes. Alright, so what we have here first is the keyboard. This looks really cool. This is for plastic. We got, I think, what is this one? I'm not sure what that's for. Let's like escape, all the regular buttons. We got forward. No, this is pause, stop, or pause, play, whatever. Forward, rewind, whatever. We got volume keys right here. See, I'm bad. I can't even aim the camera at it because I'm trying to look at it, you know. We got some number lock, caps lock, scroll lock, all that good shit. Protective for that. This is like a matte finish. This is like a regular finish, classic. Learned that from GTA. You know, keep it on there for now. Yeah, okay. So let's plug this in. This looks fucking cool. I hate these fucking twisty ties. Let me give them a look at my white fan. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, we're twisted. Oh, almost done. I'm just gonna pull it. There we go. All right, here we go. So let's watch it light up as we plug it in. Hopefully, it's gonna be cool. If I can find the plug, because I'm retarded. Okay, it's all plugged in. Waiting for it to install the drivers, and then it should probably, you know, come on. Waiting for the drivers to be installed. USB keyboard. Got a light on right there. You can already see it behind it. See, like the blue. You can't really see anything on this. Right here we go. That's the blue number lock. So it is operational. That's good. Once that driver gets installed. Okay, I'm not sure there's a button to turn on the keyboard. I really don't know if... Oh, holy shit. Oh, dude, that's fucking amazing. Okay, so this button in the middle turns off the light. Dude, you don't... Oh my god. Let me turn that off. Let me turn the flash off. This looks so cool. I'm turning my light off too. Oh my god. I had the biggest fucking nerdgasm ever. Oh, I'm sorry I did that on camera. This looks amazing. Dude, I'm gonna sit on my chair and play this shit no matter what. Oh my god. You can't really see that shit, but you know. Wow. This... Now you see it? Or, wait, no, now you see it, now you don't. I think that'd be cool if it was like pulsating like that. Like flashing. I don't want to do it too much, I'm gonna have the battery, but not the battery, but the lights. Oh my god, this looks fucking amazing though. I am sorry. Wow. Let me brighten it up a little bit. I spit on my camera, that was so fucking nerdgasm right there. Alright, well next let's plug in, let me keep this on, because yeah. Oh my god, let's plug in the mouse now. Take a look at that. This looks even cooler. Look at this mouse. It fits so beautifully. The click is pretty loud, to be honest. But I'm not too worried about that. There's a DPI switch, which is like... Let me see if I can find a little paper on it right here. Of how fast the DPIs are in this thing. Features. Oh yeah, here we go. So you can see it says 1,000, 1,600, and then to 2,000 DPI modes. So it's like your sensitivity. I'm pretty sure. It's like how fast the mouse moves across the string, across the screen. Yeah, not the string. And then we have it's a rubber. I like this matte finish though. The clicks are really loud. I'm not even worried though. This looks cool. It's a laser mouse, optical. I think that's what it's called. Rubber feet on them. This whole back lights up, and so does the front and the sides. And right here it lights up. That's the DPI button. Not too, doesn't really. And then these buttons are for like your pages. I'll go on the internet here in a second. Let me turn that on the internet. Alright, so let's plug this in. Let me take off the little twisty tie. Let me turn off that because it's blinding me. You guys want to see that blue? This blue looks. It's not on the video. I can see like the difference on the keyboard. It's like a lighter blue. That makes no sense. On the screen, you guys are seeing it looks like a really like a light blue, but in reality, it's actually kind of cool. I mean, but it's pretty badass. This video is even longer than my first video. So how much I nerdgasmed. Alright, so we got it off. Let's put this mouse over here. And let's plug this in. So I am a little bit sick. So instantly you can see that this mouse lights up. Which is, oh my god, it's so amazing. I am sorry. Let's go to go to google.com. Oh wait, no, I forgot I got my nice keyboard right here. What am I doing? The drivers are being installed, I think, to the mouse. So I'm not going to mess with it too much. But once it does finish. Yeah, they're installing right now. Installing. So yeah, as you can see, everything works good. Just waiting for that to go. And we'll be good. You can just stare at the keyboard for a second. This is just really awesome. I am sorry. It's fucking amazing. Oh, it's searching for a Windows update. A USB optical mouse. That's cool. Okay, let's look at the mouse, obviously, because you want to see the mouse. So this mouse is pretty cool. I like how it lights up. Lights up in the front. Let's see what it looks like in the dark. Let me turn this off. Oh yeah, this looks pretty. It doesn't really focus that much, but get some light from that. It has a good light to it, actually. I mean, I love it. It's really cool. Waiting for it to install the drivers. The scroll wheel is like a rubber. It's rubbery, but it feels really good on my thumb. My thumb. I'm putting my thumb all over here. My finger when I roll it. Excuse me. So yeah, after this gets done, fucking, hopefully it installs within this second. I'm gonna have to make a separate video of me using it. I don't know you guys care about that, but you know, I'm waiting so much for it to get done. I want it to be done. I don't need any of these pages open. Oh, just look at the map. It looks fucking cool. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this mouse only costs about mouse and keyboard set only costs $30 on Amazon. Like no lie at all. Oh, there we go. So here we go. It's all installed. So it's really smooth actually. So DPI, let's go down to. So this is the slow. This is 1000 DPI, 1600 DPI. Oh, you're not even looking at it, my bad. This is 1000 DPI, 1600 DPI, and then 2000 D. This is really fast. And then, like I said, with the page, let me go down. Let me go to 1000. This one's way too fast. So if we go to let's click on a page. I'm gonna type in over there anything, and let's no, I don't know what the fuck this is though, but. And then if we click the side button right there on the bottom, it's a page down button. It'll go back a page. See? Somebody press it. Goes back a page. Goes back a page. I like that. It's really useful. I always hate going up here and clicking that. So let's try the keyboard. Make sure it works good. So we'll go search. Man, it works fucking beautifully. I love it. I love it. Hi guys, how you doing? So yeah, this was the video. Now everything, all I need to get in the mail is that looks cool. So all I need to get in the mail now is my motherboard, my APU, and then the big old tower, the mid tower, not a full tower, mid tower. So we need the graphics card, the tower. I'm stupid. I don't know what the fuck I need. Tower, APU, motherboard, and here's the Ripjaw G-Skill series RAM. It's 8 gigabytes, but it's 4 and 4. So yeah, I'm not gonna open it. I don't want to open anything. I want to get like no static to this because these are very expensive. This is like a brand new game. This is half of a game. So I think pretty soon. I'm using Triton mics, a Triton headset for Xbox, but I don't know if I want to use this or buy a new. Oh yeah, here's a 50 caliber round, by the way. Yeah. If I want to get like a new mic, but I probably will. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, sorry this is really bad quality, not really good quality, but I suck at camera angling and holding it right, and not aiming at it like this thing. I probably did that same thing. Oh, look at this button. I was like this. Look at the button over there. But now I'm stupid. Oh man, this looks really cool. Like all the keys are big too, so I can see them. And this one's cool, but fucking boring. All right, well, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see the next couple of the whatever parts come in. Probably I think within Friday. To be honest, I'm really happy with that. With that kind of judgment, it's going to be here by Friday. I'll have everything during the weekend. I'll probably start building it. Next week, I'll have everything ready, probably. Don't take my word for that, but, you know. So, yeah. 15-minute video. I did it. Bad camera angling. And, yeah. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. I'll leave a link to this keyboard and mouse if you want it. And a link to where you can find these exact RAM set. And, yeah. Peace out, guys.